Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today, the 27th of May 2014, we're going to be looking at the CFDs, and we're looking at gold, SPX 500, US 30, German 30, US oil. We're looking on the daily chart, and we're using the Elliott wave analysis. Okay, before we start, please go through the disclaimer, stop and read at your own leisure, as well as the hypothetical performance. Okay, fine, let's go to some charts. Okay, first one, as we said, is the gold chart, and where we are standing with the gold chart, we can actually see we're currently in a wave 3 position off the primary wave. That's the primary degree, and that's been in red, and that's in brackets. So that's really where we stand on that, and we're actually, the higher wave degree is in an ABC correction. The A and B have previously commenced and completed. Wave A, which is the larger wave degree, which is the cycle, that's in 28th of June 2013, and it's wave B completed on the 27th of August 2013 on the high. We're currently in the C wave position of the larger wave degree, and it has to complete its 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave structures, and currently wave 1 completed at the low of 31st of December 2013, and its wave 2 we believe has completed on the high of 16th of March 2014, and where we stand for that, it completed on the 78.6% level of the Fibonacci, and kindly note how it came very close to our black line. If you're wondering what all these lines are a series of lines which help to determine our structure for our Elliott wave analysis, helping us to count and verify our counts could be more accurate, etc. So it's just a tool that we use at thetradingtigers.com for our Elliott wave analysis, and more will be released about that shortly in our educational program. So please do follow us at www.thetradingtigers.com education, and you should see some information about that. So when we move a little bit closer to have a look where we stand, we put an entry at the low of the wave 1, which is the wave 1 of the minor wave. Let me go down through the structures. So what we actually have a wave 2, as I said, to use the primary wave, and now we're going down to its subwaves. The subwaves are the wave 1 which we are in for the intermediate, which is green, and that's in brackets, and as you can see, wave 1 we completed back here on 31st of March 2014, and it's wave 2 at the high of April the 14th 2014, and it also reached close to, well, it hit the 50% level of the Fibonacci, and we're in a wave 3. Okay, so wave 3 of the intermediate, which is the subwave of the primary being red in circles. Breaking it down further, what we want to do, we want to head to the intermediate, the minor, which is the pink, and as you can see, let me zoom that in a little bit more so you can actually have a little bit more look at that, and that's the wave 1 of the minor degree, and wave 2 coming up here. Alright, can you see? And we're in the wave 3, but I'm going to take this as a breakout of the low of wave 1, yeah, to be 100% sure, and we can actually see these series of lines start to fan out a little bit more. And we put our entry at 1267.84 with a stop at 134030, and that's for gold to go short. First profit target is going to be the 100% of the Fibonacci at 1252.82, and we'll target the next level at the 161.8 level, and we're just trading the minor waves. And what we're going to do when the wave has come down and hit the 1618 or anything, even 138, but we're targeting 161.8. As that comes down, of course, we're going to be manually moving our stop loss as best as possible, even to break even, or even just to cover to the first point accordingly. But more will be that as the trades materialize. So what is actually going to happen, so that's what we're going to do, and then we're going to add to it as the wave 4 is in place, and we're going to take that down. Ultimate target, of course, is the primary wave 3 target at the 100%, which is 1141. That's going to take a while to achieve, but let's just see if our wave count is correct. But in the meantime, we're just going to take profits along the way. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next instrument, which is the SPX 500, following the S&P 500. As you can see, we've had some entry. We put a couple of entries in place at 189.6. We've taken our first target and our second target. First target was 1895, and second target 1903. Hope you can see that, traders. That's exactly where we were. And what we've been doing, we've been riding the wave of the sub-wave of the minor wave, which is the minute, which is blue in circle. So we've gained some points into our account, and our strategy is to be able to gather some points as we go through. 3 points there, and another one which is about 11 points. That's right, about 11 points. Just double check that. Yeah, 11 points and 3 points. Yeah, it's the idea. Our strategy is be able to capture some profits as we can get them, and just reap them in accordingly. So that's the situation on the potential trade. Where are we for our stop loss? The stop loss is way down here at 1943.8. We will be considering to move our stop loss up accordingly as the waves, as the price moves up higher and higher. And if we see some sort of faltering, then of course we will take the necessary actions what's in our trading plan. So in terms of where do we stand overall, I have to just break this down a little bit bigger so you can actually see where we are. So you can see that we're in a wave 3. We're in a wave 3 currently off the larger wave degree, which is the cycle degree marked in black Roman numbers, right? Wave the point 0, if you want to follow where point 0 is way back. We'll have to go to the monthly if necessary, but currently we're in a wave 3 off the larger wave, which is the cycle degree. And as we break the structure down, we can see that the larger wave is the primary, currently in a wave 5 position. That's right, a wave 5 position, so we should get ready for short positions to follow thereafter. So we'll have to sort of start marking off our wave 5 end point, so therefore we can just follow that through. Okay, fine. So that's the primary, and then when we break that down, the intermediate is green in brackets, is also in a wave 3, and then the sub waves of that are the minor waves, which is pink, if you can see. Pink, there's 1, 2, and we're in a wave 3 right now. Perhaps what I should do is yeah, we're in a pink wave 3 right now. Subwaves of that are the minute wave, which is also currently in a wave 3, and that has just hit its target of 78% level, moving up to the 100% level, and that is that. Okay, fine. Move to the next one. US oil. US oil, as we can see, the larger waves structures, if we have to pan it all out, we can take it from being in a wave 3 of the cycle degree. Cycle degree wave 1 completed on the high of 2nd of May 2011 and the low of 4th of October 2011 being the wave 2, reaching the 50% Fibonacci level. So currently we're in a wave 3 of the cycle degree. Its subwaves are the primary, which is also in a wave 3. We can see the wave 1 and the wave 2. Wave 2 hitting the pink line and bouncing rapidly up, and that hit in between the 78 and the 100% Fibonacci level. So when we break that wave down further, we can see we're in a wave 3 of the intermediate, which is green in brackets, and you can see the wave 2 completed at the low, hitting this hitting the 61% level. But also notice our pink line is also being hit, and prices bounced off it again and going up to complete it, the subwaves of wave 1, wave 2, and also being a wave 3. That's the minor wave. So the minor wave is in a wave 3, and its subwave is the minute, which is blue in brackets, which is also in a wave 3 pattern. And currently we've got 3 trades on the long side for US oil on the daily chart, entry at 101.22 with a stop level at 96.34. First target 101.01, that's at the Fibonacci level 78.6. Second target 100% level at 106.45. Third level at the 161.8 at 111.22. So that's what we're looking for, US oil to go up. Let's move to the next point, is the US 30 following the Dow Jones. And as you can see, we're currently in a trade entry at 166.00 on the long side, with the stop level at 159.78. And first profit and the only profit that we're targeting here is the 161.8 at 173.05. Now if we break down that wave structures, you can see we're in a wave 5 of the primary wave. I want to tell you exactly what wave structure, which is the higher wave degree for this count. It's looking currently right now in a wave 3 of the larger wave degree, which is the cycle degree. You can see wave 1 completed here, wave 2 on the low of 3rd of October 2011 completing anywhere between the 38 to 50% level, but you can see that thrust is the wave 3 in play. We kind of can project where our wave 3 can potentially end around this level here, 16884. Because that will mean that subwaves of the primary is red in circles, and it's completed its wave 3. Wave 4 come down, hit the blue line, and we can assume that we're in a wave 5 right now. So we have to be careful of further highs that this could make. We could see some rapid sharp declines accordingly for the A wave of the primary to be in play. So let's now move to the German 30. German 30 right now, you can see one target level has been hit. We're in a long position right now, entry at 9701 with a stop level at 8984. Profit target 9936 of the 100% of the Fibonacci has been taken out, giving us 17 points. 215 points in the bag, with profit 2 in play, which is the 161.8 level at 10278, still in play. In terms of our wave count, we're in the larger wave of a wave 5 move of the degree cycle. Cycle degree, that's being black in brackets, and currently, as you can see, the wave structures of 1, 2, it's in its wave 3, which is the subwave, which is the primary wave, primary degree, that's the red in circles, and its subwaves are the intermediate being the green in brackets, is also in a wave 3, and its subwaves are the minor waves being in pink in brackets. As you can see, it's completed its wave 1, 2, 3 is in progress, wave 4 and wave 5 will finish the wave 3 of the intermediate. So currently we're also on standby here, and we could move our stop loss up accordingly. Let's just see how this actually pans out through. Okay, fine. So traders, that's me, ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank you. Bye bye.